In February 2026, Elon Musk posted on X that Anthropic hates Western civilization. He called the company dangerous. 3 months later, he signed a deal to power Claude with his own supercomputer. On May 6, 3 days ago, Anthropic announced it is using the full computing power of SpaceX's Colossus data center in Memphis, Tennessee. 300 megawatts of capacity, 220,000 Nvidia GPUs, available within a month. Today, what the deal is, why both companies needed it, what Musk said when it was announced, everything else Anthropic announced the same day, and what it means for Claude users. I'm Mario, this is AI Alpha, let us get into it. Background. Why this deal was surprising. Anthropic was founded in 2021 by researchers who left OpenAI. OpenAI, the company Elon Musk co-founded. Musk has been publicly critical of Anthropic for years. February, he called Anthropic dangerous, said they hate Western civilization. He was simultaneously suing OpenAI in federal court. Meanwhile, Anthropic was locked out of the US military. March, the Pentagon declared Anthropic a supply chain risk. Other AI companies, including xAI, were embraced by the Defense Department. Anthropic was blocked. Given all of that, a deal between these two was not expected. Why the deal happened anyway? The compute crisis. Claude has been struggling to keep up with demand. If you use Claude regularly, you have noticed it. Slow responses at peak hours, rate limits, error messages. Dario Amodei publicly acknowledged this. His words, surging demand has led to inevitable strain on infrastructure that has impacted reliability and performance. Anthropic's response, 3 compute deals in rapid succession. Amazon, $25 billion. $100 billion AWS commitment, 5 gigawatts. Google, $40 billion. Google Cloud Infrastructure. SpaceX, 300 megawatts, 220,000 Nvidia GPUs within a month. 3 deals, 3 different compute sources, all in a few weeks. The deal itself. Full computing power of Colossus SpaceX data center in Memphis, 220,000 Nvidia GPUs, H100, H200, and the next gen GB200 accelerators, 300 megawatts of capacity. 300 megawatts, that's enough electricity to power 300,000 homes, available within a month. What SpaceX gets? Anthropic as a mark customer before the IPO. Anthropic just raised at a $900 billion valuation. Having them as a flagship customer validates Colossus to investors. Musk, on X, when the deal was announced, said he spent time with senior Anthropic team members over the past week. Said he was impressed. Everyone was highly competent. He said, no one set off my evil detector. 3 months after calling them dangerous. The space angle. As part of the deal, Anthropic expressed interest in developing multiple gigawatts of compute capacity in space. Orbital AI data centers, running Claude from orbit. Why does this actually make sense? Solar power 24 hours a day. No night, no weather, space is cold. Biggest cost of running AI is cooling. Space solves that for free. Orbital data centers cannot be seized or regulated by any single government. This is early stage. Expressed interest, not a signed contract yet. But the fact that Anthropic is thinking about orbital compute tells you the scale they are planning for. What else Anthropic announced the same day? Dreaming, a new feature in research preview. Between sessions, Claude reviews its own recent work, spots patterns in how you use it, and updates its memory automatically. Claude improves itself based on your usage while you are not using it. Rate limit changes, the practical win for paid users. Claude Pro and Max, 5-hour rate caps removed. Claude Code, rate limits doubled for all paid plans. Claude Opus API, significantly more requests for developers. If you have been hitting limits during long coding sessions, these changes should be noticeable within the month. The big picture: Amazon, Google, and SpaceX all providing infrastructure for one AI company. The two biggest cloud companies in the world and the largest rocket company, all running cloud. This is what happens when a product grows faster than any infrastructure build out in history can keep up with. Elon Musk called Anthropic dangerous in February. In May, he powered Claude with his supercomputer. The deal: 300 megawatts, 220,000 Nvidia GPUs within a month. The bonus: dreaming, Claude that improves itself between sessions. The win for you: no more 5-hour caps on Pro and Max. Doubled Claude code limits. Amazon, Google, and SpaceX all powering cloud. The infrastructure crisis making cloud slow is being fixed fast. Did you know Musk was publicly attacking Anthropic just months ago? And does this deal change how you think about cloud? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University. Plain English AI every single day. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more. I share a video every day on this channel. See you in the next one.